Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Dog Quick Stop is probably one of the most essential tools a dog owner can have in their arsenal, especially when it comes to training and ensuring your furry friend's safety during walks and outdoor adventures. This innovative device is designed to provide immediate and effective control, helping to prevent your dog from running off, chasing squirrels, or darting into dangerous situations, ultimately fostering a more secure and enjoyable experience for both you and your pet. It's a game changer for recall training and managing energetic pups. Number 5. PetSafe Gentle Leader Headcollar, Raspberry Pink, Medium. Tired of difficult walks? This head collar is designed by a veterinary behaviorist to be the most effective solution for improving your dog's walking habits. It gently interrupts your dog's natural instinct to pull against pressure. Vets recommend it to make walks more enjoyable for both of you. Made with durable nylon and a padded nose loop, it's designed for your dog's ultimate comfort. Minimal straps ensure they stay cool during walks. Getting the perfect fit is simple with the quick snap neck strap and adjustable nose loop. You'll hear a satisfying snap when it's securely fastened. Please note that this design may not be suitable for pets with very short snouts, such as pugs or bulldogs. Our US-based pet product experts are ready to assist you. Contact us by phone, email, or chat for any questions you may have. The PetSafe brand has been a trusted leader in pet innovation since 1998. We are dedicated to helping keep your pet healthy, safe, and happy. What we like? This is the most effective no-pull solution, designed by a veterinary behaviorist. It interrupts your dog's natural instinct to pull against pressure, making walks much more enjoyable. If you have a strong puller and are looking for a vet-recommended solution that prioritizes comfort, this is the one to consider. What people say. The product is easy to use and effective. It helped to stop my dog from barking excessively. The design is compact and unobtrusive. Number 4. PetSafe Gentle Leader No-Pull Dog Head Collar. Tired of your dog pulling on walks? Discover the ultimate solution designed by a veterinary behaviorist to make your walks more enjoyable. This head collar interrupts your dog's natural instinct to pull against pressure. It helps you regain control and enjoy peaceful walks together. Made with durable nylon and a padded nose loop, it ensures maximum comfort for your dog. The minimal strap design keeps them cool. Getting the perfect fit is simple with the quick snap neck strap and adjustable nose loop. You'll hear a satisfying snap when it's secure. From a trusted global leader since 1998, this product comes with US-based customer care. We're here to help you and your pet. Please note that this head collar is not designed for pets with very short snouts, such as pugs or bulldogs. What we like? This offers the ultimate solution to pulling, redirecting your dog's efforts for easier walks. It helps you regain control, making every outing a pleasure. If you're struggling with a dog that pulls excessively and you want a tool that works with their instincts rather than against them, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The product is easy to use and effective. It significantly reduces shedding, making grooming much easier. My dog's coat looks healthier and shinier after using this product. Number 3. Pet MD Dog Ear Cleaning Wipes. Introducing our advanced ear cleaning wipes, specially designed to gently clean and deodorize your dog's ears. They are safe for regular use, helping to maintain optimal ear health. These wipes help minimize wax buildup and remove debris from your pet's ears. Regular use can significantly reduce the risk of ear infections, keeping your furry friend comfortable. Our 100-count pack offers convenient, soothing, and non-irritating disposable wipes for dogs over 12 weeks old. They provide effective ear care without the need for medication. Say goodbye to unpleasant ear odors. These wipes effectively reduce foul smells, contributing to your dog's overall health and happiness. Keep them feeling fresh and clean. Made in the USA in federally regulated facilities, our ear cleaning wipes ensure the highest quality and safety standards. You can trust that you are providing the best for your pet. What we like? These wipes offer an advanced formulation designed to gently clean, deodorize, and dry your pet's ears. They are safe for regular use, helping to reduce the risk of ear infections and minimize wax buildup. If your dog is prone to ear issues or you're looking for a convenient way to maintain ear hygiene and prevent odor, these soothing wipes are ideal. What people say. The product is very effective and works as described. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with home decor. Easy to use and set up, even for beginners. Number 2. Miracle Care Quick Stop Styptic Powder. Accidents happen during grooming. Our Styptic powder is designed to quickly stop bleeding from minor cuts or nail trims. It provides fast-acting relief when you need it most. This essential grooming tool contains benzocaine for pain relief. It ensures a safer and more comfortable experience for your pet during grooming procedures. Whether you have a dog, cat, or bird, this product is for you. It's specifically formulated to be safe and effective for a variety of pets. Using it is simple. Just apply a small amount to the bleeding area with a moistened applicator and apply gentle pressure. It's designed for superficial bleeding only. For over 40 years, veterinarians and groomers have trusted this product. It's proudly made in the USA, reflecting our commitment to quality and animal well-being. We aim to strengthen the bond between you and your pet. Our innovative products are designed to support a healthy and happy life for animals of all sizes. What we like. This is the original Styptic powder with added benzocaine for pain relief, designed to stop bleeding fast. It's essential for grooming procedures like nail clipping or minor cuts. If you're a pet owner or groomer who needs a reliable and fast-acting solution to manage accidental bleeding during grooming, this product is a must-have. What people say. The product is very effective and works as advertised. It is easy to use and set up, making it convenient for pet owners. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well into any home decor. Number 1. OLANLY Grey Dog Door Mat 30 by 20. Experience ultimate comfort with our plush chenille mat. It feels incredibly soft underfoot, providing a cozy spot for your pet while effectively stopping mud and moisture at the door. Designed for the messiest entrances, its dense pile traps dirt, water, and debris from paws and shoes. Keep your floors clean effortlessly, as it handles the mess so you don't have to. Featuring a textured TPR backing, this mat stays put on various floor types, reducing shifting and bunching. Enjoy reliable placement in busy pet areas for peace of mind. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply shake off loose dirt or toss it in the washing machine. Its quick-drying construction means it's ready to use again in no time. Perfect for entryways, under food bowls, after baths, or as a crate liner. Its flexible and space-saving design makes it a practical choice for any pet-friendly home. Sink into the luxurious feel of our OEKOTX certified chenille. It's a thoughtful choice for your family and pets, blending comfort with everyday practicality. What we like. This mat is seriously absorbent, designed to stop muddy paws right at the door. Its dense chenille pile traps dirt and moisture, keeping your floors clean. If you have a dog that tracks in a lot of dirt and you're looking for a durable, easy to clean, and highly effective solution to manage messes at entryways, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The product is easy to use and works as described. It is very effective in stopping my dog from barking. The design is sleek and unobtrusive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.